Did you know that as of today, American inflation rates are the highest they've been in decades? It's a startling reality. The purchasing power of the dollar is dwindling, with rising prices causing consumers to dig deeper into their pockets. Meanwhile, supply chain issues are causing disruptions in the market, and a slowdown in China's economy has global implications. Furthermore, the ominous cloud of U.S. debt ceiling negotiations looms, creating additional uncertainty. This economic turbulence is leading to a decline in consumer confidence. Many Americans view the current economic conditions as poor and believe the economic outlook is getting worse. High inflation rates, once thought to be a temporary hiccup, are proving to be a stubborn and long-term threat. We're sailing in rough economic waters, with no immediate respite in sight, but instead of being caught in the storm, it's important to navigate through it. In the face of these daunting economic challenges, it's crucial to stay informed and proactive. So, you might ask, what's causing this economic turmoil? Well, let's dive into the heart of the matter. There is a multitude of factors at play here, but two significant causes stand out: the ongoing disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the rising tide of automation in the job market. The pandemic has thrown a wrench into global supply chains, causing widespread disruptions. These disruptions have resulted in significant price increases, which in turn have led to inflation. The rise in prices is not just a transitory phase as previously believed. It's more than just a blip on the radar. It's a storm that's been brewing, and it's starting to pour. This inflationary trend is causing a dip in consumer confidence, with many Americans viewing the current economic conditions as poor, and the economic outlook is getting worse. Now let's talk about automation. We are in the midst of a technological revolution, with companies turning to automation due to labor shortages. This shift can have profound implications for the job market. While it may lead to increased efficiency and productivity in certain sectors, it may also lead to job displacement in others, potentially causing unemployment rates to rise. So, what's the impact of all this? Well, decreased consumer confidence can lead to reduced spending, which can slow down economic growth. Changes in the job market due to increased automation could lead to higher unemployment rates, which can further exacerbate economic woes. Furthermore, high inflation rates can erode the value of your savings. Imagine working hard, saving diligently, only to find that your savings can buy less and less as time goes by. It's like trying to fill up a leaking bucket. The effects of these economic shifts can be far-reaching, affecting every aspect of our lives. They can influence our purchasing decisions, our employment prospects, and our financial security. So, it's crucial to stay informed and proactive in navigating these challenging times. Given the state of our economy, it's more important than ever to stay informed and proactive. As we navigate these uncertain economic times, it's essential to keep a finger on the pulse of financial news. From bank earnings and inflation rates to shifts in the job market due to automation, every piece of information is a valuable tool. Understanding these economic indicators allows us to make informed decisions about our personal finances. For instance, the rise in inflation suggests that the value of money is decreasing. In such a scenario, traditional cash savings might not be the safest option. This is where proactive decision-making comes into play. Exploring non-traditional investment avenues such as gold and silver can serve as a financial lifeboat. These precious metals have historically been a reliable hedge against inflation, maintaining their value even when economies falter. Let's not forget, these decisions don't merely safeguard our present, they also shape our future. The choices we make today will define our financial health tomorrow. In times of economic uncertainty, knowledge is power. By staying informed and making proactive financial decisions, you can navigate these turbulent economic waters. In times like these, it's worth considering investing in something that holds its value, like gold and silver. These precious metals have stood the test of time, consistently proving their worth throughout history. In periods of economic uncertainty, gold and silver have remained stable, often even increasing in value when other investments have faltered. But why is this? Well, gold and silver are tangible assets. They are not subject to the same risks as stocks or bonds. They don't rely on a company's performance or the decisions of a board of directors. They are immune to the whims of the financial markets. This makes them an effective hedge against inflation, a shield that can protect your wealth when the economy is struggling. In addition to their stability, investing in gold and silver offers a level of financial security. In times of economic turmoil, these precious metals can be liquidated more easily than other investments, providing you with access to funds when you need them most. But remember, investing in gold and silver isn't just about the potential for financial gain. It's about more than that. It's about taking control of your financial future. It's about making a conscious decision to protect yourself and your loved ones from the unpredictable twists and turns of our economy. Investing in gold and silver isn't just a smart financial move, it's a protective measure against the unpredictable twists and turns of our economy.